got a new tow rig. We got rid of the Ford. I had no choice, but we got rid of the Ford. We got us a 2013 3500.
14, bro.
No, it's a 13, bro.
13?
14 changes. So he's looking at the title, it's actually 13. He had it listed as a 14.
Yeah, that's what I
It's
saw.
a 13.
Okay.
6.6 Duramax. We'll see how long it lasts because I ain't heard great things. We got to change some headlights. We got a steal of a deal. We got it for less than. We got it for like right at. Well, whatever. I'm not gonna tell you how much we got it for. We got a steal of a deal. It's pretty clean. Clean truck. It's not a Denali or anything. But for what it is, it's good. Good tow rig. Our guys are going to use it a lot for what we do for a real living. We have a fuel tank that goes back here, and then we're going to put the toolbox over the top of it. We got to order some steps for it. Like literally picked this thing up last night. This is the next morning. They're going to change the headlights on it because these things are notorious. Like every single one of these generations have the worst headlights ever. I thought those were the worst headlights I've ever seen in my entire existence on the planet. I think these beat it. And these have like drain holes because they were condensating too much. So I think these actually take the cake. If I had to be honest. So we're gonna get these swapped out today. The guys are gonna do it. I'm gonna run. I gotta go grab some sealer for the hood. But yeah, let's see how much we can make. I think it's actually a pretty cool freaking truck. I love dualies. They love dualies, right? If you're gonna tow something, we gotta put a fifth wheel on the back on it.
No, put it to work.
Put it to work.
Put it to work.
So, yeah. Oh, I gotta get this cap.
It's a nice truck.
What's up with the cap? I thought it had the cap.
No, it did not have.
It didn't have the cap.
No, it didn't. And the picture shows it had, but it didn't.
And I cab, they listed as a 2014.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man.
So we gotta get
So
that
good
cap because they're always missing on every truck. Even our other truck, our other service truck has.
Yeah.
It's missing this stinking cap. I don't know what's up with that. They're probably like $1,800. People just stealing. But that's probably not true. And it needs shocks.
Came with new tires too.
Yeah, it's got new tires.
Yeah, these tires.
Tires are awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, tires. They're not. They're not gonna work for us probably because
Nah, we need
we
big
got
old mud tires.
Yeah.
we need mud tires. We gotta change this out right here, which we already took apart so it looks worse than it is.
Yeah.
We have
We
this.
wanted to get lights.
It was just this was kind of janky. It didn't have any padding in it. The
used to
padding
have
had broken out. So anyway, so we're gonna put that all back together. We got another one of these trucks, obviously. Shit, we already got those for this truck already.
These are the lights.
Clean
These
this
are the
up.
lights we
Get
were
that
going
dirt
to
and stuff
install.
over there. We already got lights for another
Yeah.
for another truck, so we're just gonna put those on, so they can be back on the road. So, all right, well, y'all get at it.
You're almost there. This will be the other one that we're going to install. Not as bad, but this is the part that we're changing because the other one over here
As you can see, this one was broken and
broken, man, beat up. But good thing we had a spare truck. And we were able to take the panel off that one and put this one. So stay tuned.
This was a fat boy truck, man. 'Cause the iron was heavy.
For real, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, man, whatever fat boy had this truck did not care about looking at night. I got it. No, you don't gotta touch that at all.
I'm a GM car, man. I love GMs. Alright, have a GM. Fuck the lifters. Bad transmission.
Okay, slow down, buddy. I don't think you want all that. Well, we gotta take this top part out, but
When I bought my 2021 Silverado, not even a year.
fucked up. Lifters went out, transfer case went out. Chevy, your ass.
Nah, don't say that, man. Chevys are good cars, man. Maybe because I didn't do the oil change on time.
Oh, the pain. Okay.
Jeez.
This is in the way. This is in the way.
It is on the way.
It is. Ay, ay, ay. Dude, these lights were beat though. Look at these lights, guys. Would you be driving around with these? Let me know in the comments if you would drive with these lights. 'Cause if you do, you should not be driving on the road, okay?
So we got this.
Well, this sucks. We ran into a little problem. The lights are a little different. Ours is a little smaller. These are a little bigger. My coworker's telling me that these might be for a Silverado, which I'm pretty sure they are. We have another GMC Sierra over there, you can tell. They just don't fit, man. It sucks. We're excited for this. But it's okay. We're going to order some other ones. Hey, but you can tell, too, by the back. They're different. Look. Way different. That was never going to fit in there, man.
Yeah, definitely.
It's like trying to squeeze it in there. Just mess everything up, so no. But, oh well, guys. It is what it is. We'll get some new ones. Wait. Let me see. You don't have a third hole either. It's different, sir. Different. These holes are different. These holes are different. Yeah. It has so much water. You hear that?
Freaking nuts how much water is in them.
Also, just giving you a little info. This is in the way, so it is a little bit hard to maneuver and get in there.
So you have to like get them out?
Yeah.
Well, you have to open the hood to have that space, and then we probably have to pull the grill a little bit more out so we can push this more out, because this is bumping on the bottom. It's in the way.
So how far off is it?
Really off.
It's like all the way up?
Yeah. So I was thinking if you want to check out the turbo one, those headlights, they're still
That's
good.
a
We can
Sierra?
polish them, and then we can install them whenever you order the new ones.
That's a Sierra.
Yeah.
Like the Sierra's not gonna fit on Silverado.
The Sierra.
What
This
Sierra?
is a Sierra. This is a Sierra.
The lights you ordered are Silverado.
The lights you order is for a Silverado. So you got the wrong headlights. They sent you the wrong
They
headlights.
sent me the
They
Yeah,
sent
sent
you
you
the
the
wrong
wrong-
headlights.
Let's say I know what I got.
So I was thinking of remove the one with the turbo ones.
Yeah.
And then install this and polish them. And you order new ones, just install them on that one.
All right, let's do that.
Okay.
Let's do that.
They come out smooth. Smooth like butter.
Those headlights are nasty, boy.
And it had like 6 holes in it. So much water in there.
When I got here, it was like pitch black. I was like, how's the lights? He's like, man, I go through crap.
My lights on the Sonic are good.
Y'all getting better lights off the like running lights on the top of the cab.
For real.
All right, we're just gonna take off the grill, guys, because this damn
This side, man.
this damn bumper grill guard.
It's a snap.
Ain't no
Snaps
pump.
out, for real.
Yeah, one's like rain and.
I snapped this one out already. On this side. Everything seems intact still. We're good. And then there's that middle one in there. I don't know how they're gonna come this side. I don't know how I'm gonna get that. Maybe to the bottom.
Yeah.
What's that? What the?
The camera angles are not that great. I got Jacob behind me sitting there critiquing my camera.
We got the real cameraman. Judging.
Like the substitute cameraman.
Mira, dale pa' acá, pa' la right, pa' la right. Dale pa' la right. You got space on your
You heard all that?
Up. They came out.
Someone came okay.
Good.
There you go. We got it. Okay, let's try that one.
SOA!
You got my finger.
You got your finger.
Dale pa' abajo primero. And then start to it again. No mucho.
Little to the left, little to the right. It's all crooked. He's like gets it in there and it's like backwards.
The struggles of being a mechanic.
That's a problem. I ain't none of us mechanics. There's probably a mechanic screaming at the screen right now, like,
Yeah.
"You stupid piece of crap!" We just would have loosened the fender just 1 freaking inch.
It's not even the fender, it's this. It's the steel metal thing. There you go, Kel.
Hey! Okay, cool.
Ah, 2 bolts right here, 1 right here. This snap back in, this snap 2 bolts.
And then the side?
Just run in there, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sir, gotta slow down, homie. You're going too quick.
Ah, man, you don't have to squint to me like that.
A little tippy there.
Great. Wow. Okay.
I'm a mechanic.
He's gonna get some.
My boy got offended right now.
Like upset there.
I know he got
Take it down a notch, bro.
he got on my ass today.
I'm gonna try to polish these up. Like, I don't think it's gonna work, but I'm gonna still try. The bulbs in?
This ain't no good headlight. Yeah. You got the bulbs in, right? You put the opposite.
Look at that.
It's not bueno, man. It's like, come on,
Those are
man.
perfect. Those are used too, but
They use, but
they're good.
Automatically $500 off the price if they send them with these lights on.
you out of there, bro.
Hell no, because when the AC wasn't working.
Let's pull it out. Let's wash it real quick. Saying didn't drive yesterday. We put fluid in it. They didn't want to do anything. He gets here this morning. He's like, it drives. Now it won't do it? Watch out for the pipe. That thing, you would have to get it up to like 2,000 RPMs just to move. Now it, so weird, so weird. There was something wrong with the transfer case. It was like sticking in like 4 high. It got stolen and it was like rolled in a ditch. So we just put it up for a while. We hadn't messed with it until yesterday. Oh God, no taking the motor either. Now everything just works. Okay, and that's why we bought the dually. Because we're like, this one doesn't work. Now we have another 2,500. Hey, you're messing up the. Freaking kidding me. With the posse too of that. Alright. Perfect. It's nice.
You want a big sexy ride? You're gonna have to get you a 2013 6.6 Duramax diesel. As you can tell, you got a lot of space. You got your diesel tank, your toolbox, and you can fit a 280 lady in the back here. As you move around the truck, big old back end, big old car. Let's look at the special features that we're talking about. Look at this nice truck. Look at it. You want space? You want space for your kids to jump and hit you on your head? You lift this up. Bam! They fit. And you may think, is this enough space? Oh, it's locked, guys. That's not a good argument, man. Oh my God,
It's secure.
It's secure for the kids to not fall out. Look at that, man. Look how much space we got. If she ain't 280, that ain't a lady. And this truck right here could definitely carry it. Let's turn this bad boy on. My grandpa used to say, you can't tow nothing heavy in the trunk, it's garbage. Let's look at this beautiful 6.6 Duramax diesel motor. Deleted DF, best way to go. Look at that bad boy. DF deleted, everybody wants that. 'Cause nobody wants to deal with that, dude. Nobody wants to work on a diesel truck. It's expensive, and it's hard. Let's turn this bad boy up, and let's show y'all what y'all missing now. That sounds like a Texas edition to me, baby. And the best part about this truck, you can tow whatever you want. So if I recommend it, come and get it. Not bad, huh?